Hey guys, welcome back to Choose Your Own Path. Today, not like the other day, we printed a Boba Fett hat, and it was a low poly, and I got a lot of flack for it because I didn't process it properly. You could tell it looked like shit. It's the way it goes. People love to give you a crap about stuff, so we're trying something different. We went back to Thingiverse. I like going to Thingiverse. It's free files. I mean, this is for me. It's not for sale. So we went and printed a. This is supposed to be a helmet. Now you can size it up a lot more than this, but this basically, like my other helmets, are just going to be like wall hangers. What I did was it came in three parts. One, two. Hold on. One, two, three, four parts. I think. Yeah, I'm going to say four parts. So we glued them together, and then I put some wood filler on it, and then I sanded it down, right down to so it's smooth. Now that hides somewhat the layer lines. But what I wanted to do today was try something different. I have a UV resin, which cures with a UV light that we have. And what I want to do is I want to apply it to our model. So I'm just going to go ahead and drip it on. I am going to take a little paintbrush, and we are just going to go to town and put it everywhere. Now this should fill in any kind of cracks, any kind of layer lines. We've seen it before done on other channels. Other people use, like I use some of this for when I'm doing my fishing lures and stuff. So it really helps solidify everything. It's a quick drying resin, which is really good because we can work on it right away. I am going to apply this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the light on it and let it dry. And then if it needs any kind of sanding, we can go ahead and do that. And if not, we're just going to start putting the primer and paint, and we're going to go from there. So let me get this covered up, and I'll get back to you. Again, this is just I got it from China. It's a UV resin. It was on Amazon, so there's no links for me to give you. It just looks like that. Sorry, guys. I don't make nothing off it, so I don't promote it. Not that I'm looking to make anything of it, but that's what it is. All right. So we put it on, not too thick, and now you just see we have the black light on it, and we're going to let it cure. See how long it takes to cure by just leaving the light on it and then just kind of rotating it. So when it's done, I'll come back and you'll see my ugly face again. All right, guys. So we ended up putting on the epoxy that had the UV light to it, you saw earlier, and it's dry. So we are going to try, well, we're not going to try, we are going to coat it now with a primer. We are using, it's just surface primer. So we put some in our feeder here. And we're just going to cover everything up. Give it a good priming. If you get a spray can primer, go faster. I ran out. So I'll prime this up and I'll be right back. All right, we're on to the painting stage. So we mixed up some greens. We got our little example. It won't be exact, but it'll be close. And we're gonna go to town by giving it a little bit of spray. Sometimes I had a little bit of water in here, I could tell. I'm not masking anything up on here. It's not worth it. I'm gonna do one light coat, and then I'm gonna come back and put another coat on it. You can see the green that's going on. I'm gonna cover the whole thing up. Well, not all of it. This is brown, and the horns are white, and the teeth are white. And then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for eyes after, because it's not gonna be a mask that we're gonna wear. So I'm gonna do this, and I'll show you what it looks like in a bit. All right, guys. So we're done. It's airbrushed. So you can see that I put the brown. I did two tinge colors, so it's depends on the light when it hits it. It looks like it's got some darker and lighter in it. and then I went for the green. Now the green looks a lot shinier, and it does look brighter on camera. Plus I got a light behind this, but it is darker. So it's similar, maybe not as dark as what the original Star Wars character is, but it's big. It's Gamorrean guard. Inside, what I did, you can see these two little spots here. These are eyes that I made out of epoxy a while back, and I glued them in there. And I don't know if it's easy, you can see it on camera, but you can see it really makes it look like he has eyes in there. Again, better to see it in person than it is on camera, but it works. Not big enough for a full helmet. You could enlarge it and make it, but where am I going to wear this? This is going to be another one of my wall hangers that's going to go somewhere. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. Sorry I didn't show you the rest of the process. It's airbrushing. I can't give out ideas and techniques and stuff. I'm not a professional. I just paint. I just want to show you what I did. And I think it looks pretty good. This one. Not like the other one. It's not low poly. And then again, 3-step, what we did was we sanded it down, put some wood filler on it. Then we took some epoxy that we had, where the hell I put it, but anyway, on here, let it dry. We hit it with a UV light, hardened it up, took out a lot of the lines. You can still see a lot of the layer lines in there. Not as visible as, if you're looking from like really close. Airbrushed, and I sealed it, whatever, and primed it. There we go. So let me know what you think. Really like if you made a comment, if you like it or not, because I know Facebook loves to make comments, but YouTube people seem to watch it and they don't say nothing, so which is fine. Like, subscribe, and share. You know what? If I can do it, you can do it. Choose your own path. See you on the next one.